Today I just cooked the pasta con Ceci, pasta with chickpeas. Hi everyone, buongiorno a tutti. Today we're going to cook chickpeas with pasta. Very quick meal. You can do with the beans, cannellini or borlotti beans, anything. Today I'm using chickpeas. This is the chickpeas you buy from a supermarket. Then you put them, you soak them in water overnight. In the morning they swallow nearly double the size, and then you cook. This they already cooked these chickpeas. If you don't want to do that, you can buy the chickpeas in a can. Same thing. So the first thing I put some oil, extra virgin oil, just to cover the bottom of the pan like that. Some onions, some garlic, some parsley, pinch of pepper. Just to let it fry a little bit. I gotta say, I love this dish. And if you guys, you never tried it, I just love it. Pasta and chickpeas. Pasta con Ceci. I just love it. We in the farms, as we grew up, we had many times in the farm. I'm gonna put peeled tomato in. Look at that. So easy. Un po' di sale, salt, just for starting. As the tomato cooks, I will squash a bit, and then I put the sauce in. And this is a homemade sauce with the basil, tomato and basil. You can do this dish. You don't have the tomato, but I love the idea to peel tomato and sauce together. It's a better taste. But you can use just a normal sauce. I just give a bit of squash for start. See, they cook pretty quick. It's not a ragu with the meat you gotta cook for so many hours. This will cook a quarter of an hour, and then I put the other sauce. Don't have to cook for long. But now the tomato already cooked 10 minutes or more. I'm gonna put some homemade sauce in. Made it myself. Salsa pomodoro con basilico. Oh, look at this. Yeah, nice look. Let the water boil. We put the pasta in. Now this one they call a lumachine. Normally I use tubetini, but because we haven't got them, it doesn't matter any pasta you like, as long as it's not big pasta. Adesso mettiamo un po' di sale, a little bit of salt. Okay, the pasta is nearly cooked, so I'm going to throw the chickpeas in. Because they're cold this way, they get boil a little bit, they get warm. Everything the pasta cooked, chickpeas they got up, they have dried. Always come down underneath, because if you need a bit of juice, I can grab that water. Back in the pan. And we're going to put just a little bit in the plate. Then we're going to try them out. There they come out. I'm just going to put a bit of sauce on. Just like that. Now I love cheese. It's pecorino romano. So if you don't like cheese, you don't have to put it. I love chili. Bit of sprinkled chili. Mix them all up. Look at that. Oh, look at this. How beautiful they look. I'm gonna try some. Buon appetito. They are delicious. Beautiful. Beautiful. You know this dish just with the olio crudo. That means the pasta cooked and the chickpeas are already cooked. And all you put there is a bit of oil on, a bit of pepper, and you can have it like that. With a bit of cheese if you like. Really nice, beautiful.